Many beginner traders lose money on the market because they complicate their trading with too many strategies and indicators, while there's a very simple yet profitable strategy that anybody can use to easily generate income from trading, which only uses supports, resistances and trading volumes. This strategy is the support and resistance trading strategy, and in this video you're going to learn it in less than 10 minutes, so make sure to watch this video till the end and let's dive straight into the content. The first step in order to master the support and resistance trading strategy in crypto, forex and stocks trading is being able to identify strong support and resistance levels. So let me explain to you very quickly what support and resistance levels are. And this is the Bitcoin price chart, and we can already spot a strong support level. And all we have to do is connect the extreme lows on the chart. And here we have our support level or support zone. And this is the price level at which the price fails to fall below and instead it bounces back up. And so this support is giving us a nice entry point for a long position or for multiple long positions, as we can enter a trade every time the price touches this level and be quite confident that the price won't fall below this line for some time. If we were to apply the support and resistance trading strategy to this scenario, then we would have waited for two bounces and then bought Bitcoin at support here at $18,480 approximately, and then sold at resistance here at $20,370, making 100% profit with 10x leverage for 3 times every single time, because we could enter our trade once, twice, and another third time. And this is to show you how simple yet profitable this strategy is. Talking about resistances instead, a resistance is the opposite of a support. The price moves up because there's more demand than supply, and as the price moves higher, there will come a point when selling will overwhelm the desire to buy. This is the resistance, and like the support, it can be a level or a zone. And what we can do as traders is to enter a short position once the price reaches the resistance. And if we had applied the support and resistance trading strategy to this scenario, then we would have waited for 2 tests of the resistance and then entered the short position here and made 100% profit with 10x leverage. And if you don't know how to trade short, you can watch my tutorial, which you can find right now at the top right of the screen. Support and resistance levels can also be slanted, as you can see in this example. However, the concept is the same. You will draw a line that connects at least 2 lows, and this will be the support, and another line that connects at least 2 highs, and this will be the resistance. And you will long once the price touches the support for the third time, and you will short once the price reaches the resistance for the third time. And your take profit will always be the support when shorting and the resistance when longing. Another important property of supports and resistances is that old supports become new resistances and old resistances become new supports. Let me show you an example, because this will help you a lot with your trading. And as you can see in this previous example, the price of Bitcoin broke this resistance and started trading outside that resistance. And then it corrected and bounced over the old resistance, which became the new support. And this happened once and then twice. You can see this in previous price action as well. When the price of Bitcoin collapsed, it then found support at this resistance level, which is now the new support. And then when it broke the support, that support became again a resistance because we got rejected there, and then the price of Bitcoin went down. And this concept introduces the new and last topic of today's tutorial, which is how to trade support and resistance breakouts. When we see a candle close above resistance, we say that the price broke that resistance, and we expect the price to go up from there and that resistance to become a new support. And so another way to trade with the support and resistance trading strategy, rather than buying at support and selling at resistance, is waiting for a breakout of a resistance and then entering a long position with a stop loss below that resistance. And it's important to always look at volumes when trading breakouts, because a breakout with low volume could represent a false breakout, meaning that the price could soon correct and go back below resistance. And as you can see here, during the breakout, volumes were going up, meaning that this was not a false breakout, and in fact, with 10x leverage, we would have made more than 100% profit in one trade just by longing at the breakout of the resistance. One way to explain why volumes are important is the following. Imagine your neighbor buys a 100 meter square house in your district for $500,000. Does it mean that the price for similar houses in your district is $500,000? No, because that was just one transaction. But if 10 houses of 10 meters square are sold at $500,000 in your district, then the price for similar houses in your district is $500,000 for real. And so in our case, if many transactions happen above resistance, then we can be confident that the price will stay above resistance for some time, as more transactions will occur around the price level for some period of time. And so you should only trade breakouts with high volumes. And we can do the same thing with supports, and instead of entering a long position, we would enter a short position once we see a candle close below the support. And also, we should wait for a volume spike, like this one that you can see here on the chart. And so we can be confident of the breakout and enter our short position. And your stop loss, you would have to place it above that support, as this will become the new resistance. To sum up, guys, these are the 4 golden rules that you should follow in order to trade safe and make profits with the support and resistance trading strategy. Only long at supports that show at least 2 touch points in previous price action. Only short at resistances that show at least 2 touch points in previous price action. Do not trade breakouts with low volume, and do not trade every day. Be patient and only trade when all the previous conditions are met. So guys, now that you know to trade with the support and resistance trading strategy, the only skill that you miss in order to become a profitable trader is mastering risk management. And this is essential for any trading strategy out there. And so if you haven't yet, make sure to watch my risk management tutorial, which you can find right there. And don't forget to like this video if you got some value out of it, and subscribe to my channel to not miss my new trading tutorials. That being said, I wish you good trading and see you in the next video.